So this is my custom Triamese made from 3 Rubiksguy brand 3x3x3s. As you can see, it's joined like so, and on a corner. I think this is a 2x2x3, 1x2x3 join here, and 1x1x1 join. I did my best to make as many rotations as possible. So turn that. This guy. So all 3 verticals are available on the center cube. This one doesn't turn here. I had to have some place to glue it. But it does turn right there. It's pretty cool because, like I said, it's restickered. Shiny new stickers. This is my second mod. I'm pretty happy with it. And I think there was one more thing I wanted to show you. Oh yes. You can store it in your pocket easier by like turning it around like that. So that is my custom Triamese 3x3x3. Once again, Rubiksguy brand. I restickered it using Cube for You stickers. So, yeah, please bid.